Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to enroll students in Teachable manual and automatic methods. The link to the Teachable will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. Step 1 is to understand the automatic enrollment. The absolute easiest way to enroll student is automatically. Whenever a student visits your sales page, click on the pricing plan and completes their purchase through the Teachable built-in checkouts, the system automatically creates their account and grants them instant access to the course. You really don't have to lift a finger. But the other way around, access the user's dashboard for the manual enrollment. Sometimes you need to give a friend free access, add a contest winner, or manually add a student who paid you off platform. To do this, log into your Teachable admin dashboard like I have done so. Look at the left hand side navigation over here and then click on the users. Now add a single student manually. In the top right corner of the student page, click on the students button. It will show up just in a second. Hold on tight, guys. The internet is kind of laggy at the moment, but yeah, over here. So on the top right side you can add a student option and it will work manually. Name, email, password, enroll the student into a product, how it's free. You can add all the methods, how the student pay you, access your product, all that stuff, and then that would be pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.